Hello viewers, in this video we will learn how to enable inspect element option on Safari browser for MacBook. Here you can see if I right click on this web page, here you can see we don't have any inspect element option. But if we go to Chrome browser and right click on this, here you can see inspect option. So let's see how we can enable this on our Safari browser on MacBook. Okay. So this is my Safari browser. We have to go here called Safari and then go to settings. Then from the settings, general settings, to go to advanced. Then just right click on this, show develop menu in menu bar. Then just close this, and also you can reload this page, or then check. If we right click on here, then inspect element option is available right now. Here if we select this inspect element, here you can see we have the inspect element option on our Safari browser also.